Welcome back to your Gem Fact Friday. We're still on the topic of diamonds, and your subtopic today is where do diamonds grow? Diamonds grow just like a plant, a tree, or even grass. They grow way beneath the crust of the earth, 100 to 150 miles below the earth's surface. To grow a diamond, it takes tremendous heat, pressure, and time. In the last Gem Fact Friday, we talked about how much time it takes to grow a diamond. The oldest terrestrial diamond that has been discovered is 4 billion years old. The youngest, or the diamonds that we wear now and we mine now, those diamonds grew 3 billion years ago. So the youngest diamond we know about is 3 billion years, and the oldest one is 4.3 billion years. So it takes a very, very, very long time to grow a diamond. To understand just how deep 100 to 150 miles are, you have to understand there are four parts to the Earth's surface. There's the crust, there's the core, the inner core, and the mantle. Well, the core and the inner core are way too deep and way too hot to grow anything. The only thing down there is magma and molten rock, which is magma. So where are diamonds grown? They're grown in the mantle, which is between the outer core and the crust. Now, it takes temperatures of around 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit to grow a diamond and pressure of 725,000 pounds per square inch to take a carbon atom and compress it and squeeze it over time and heat into a diamond. So after your diamond is created in the mantle, how does it get to the Earth's surface so we can mine it and turn it into jewelry? There's two specific ways. There are others, but the two main ways are volcanic eruptions and alluvial deposits. The two. A volcanic eruption is just what you're thinking of. Mount St. Helens blowing stuff into the atmosphere and running molten rock down the side of it. That is the most common way diamonds come to the surface. All that magma, all of that energy from the mantle of the earth comes to the surface and brings diamonds raining down, and they collect at the base of a mountain or base of a volcano. Now, the other way is called an alluvial deposit. Think of the Grand Canyon, the way the water from that river just dug through that rock over millennia, over time. So what happens is the diamonds come up toward the crust of the earth, and through the act of hydrodynamics and water, collect those diamonds, and they run down to the bottom of a river basin, and that's where we start mining diamonds. So you have volcanic eruptions, everything comes out, and then you have alluvial deposits, which are rivers and hydrodynamic water transfer diamonds to a river basin, and that's where we start collecting them. Now, here's a bonus for you. So how much Earth's crust does it take to find a diamond? Think about this. It takes 11 one-ton dump truck loads of dirt to find one rock eligible to be a 1 carat. 11 one-ton dump truck loads. That's a lot of Earth's crust. That's a lot of moving dirt. So let's say you take all those dump truck loads of dirt and you find 10,000 rocks that are big enough and eligible enough to be a 1 carat. Only one of those, one out of 10,000, is large enough to make a 2 carat diamond. Think about that. However, there was a diamond discovered in 1905 that dwarfs the Hope diamond, and it was called the Cullinan, and it was owned by Elizabeth II. Now that diamond was subsequently cut into, I think, 112 or 110 separate stones. One of them is the large stone of Africa, and the other one is the smaller stone of Africa. But anyway, when this thing was found, this Cullinan diamond, it was 3,100 carats. It weighed 1.5 pounds. That's a big diamond. That's a big piece of rock. 3,100 carats. And they were cut over 100 stones out of that one. And one of those stones is still in the crown jewels of Elizabeth II. And that is your Gem Fact Friday. So there you have it. 3 fun facts or gem facts about a diamond that you might not have known. If you like this video, subscribe down below and these will get sent straight to your inbox. Plus, I hope to be doing more of these each and every week on Friday. See you then.